Max, Dot, I have some toys for you. This is from your grandma, okay? These are your toys, okay? These are your toys, okay? You can't, no, you can't have them until, you can't have them. You gotta see it. Okay? Okay. So first, well, you gotta wait. First, I gotta turn it on. What's that one? What was this one? What about this one? What about this one? What about this one? That one looks fun. That one looks fun. That looks fun. That's awful fun. You sure you can handle it? Okay. Okay, you see it. You see it. Ah, there you go. Are you scared? Get it. You get it. Get it. Get it. Get that. You scared? You like it? Do you like it? You can't have both, Max. Max, you can't have both. Max. Oh, they both want the same one. No one wants this guy. Oh, well. Oh, you get that.